Today's problem, which is greater, 31 power 11 or 17 power 14? Can you try? Now, let us learn how to check which is greater among these. First, we need to split 17 power 14 as 17 power 3 into 17 power 11. Next, 17 power 14 is greater than 16 power 3 into 17 power 11 because 17 power 3 is greater than 16 power 3. Now, let us write 16 power 3 as 2 power 4 whole power 3 because 16 is equal to 2 power 4. Now, we need to apply one of the law of exponent to simplify it. That is, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. By applying it, we get 2 power 12 because 2 power 4 whole power 3 is equal to 2 power 12. Next, 2 power 12 can be written as 2 power 1 into 2 power 11. Next, 2 power 11 into 17 power 11 can be written as 2 into 17 whole power 11. By simplifying 2 into 17, we get 34 power 11. From this, we can conclude that 17 power 14 is greater than 31 power 11 because 2 power 1 into 34 power 11 is greater than 31 power 11. Thank you.